Hey guys, what's up man, ya kan? Temu lagi bareng gue Jack Rastafara, ya kan? Yang hidupnya selalu, ya kan? Selalu guys. Di sini gue pengen kenalin yaitu kapal pesiar, salah satu kapal pesiar terbesar di dunia di tahunnya 2010 sampai tahun 2018 guys. Itu dia pernah pegang guys, yaitu Celebrity Reflection guys. Itu recommended banget guys kalau lu pengen liburan, cruising, lu di situ guys. Apa aja ada guys. Itu bisa dijulukin kota terapung guys, ya kan? Dan lu kalau gimana ya, kalau dibilang itu ada semua dah dalamnya guys. Lu nggak bakalan bosen, ya kan? Di dalam apa aja lu pengen lu ada guys, ya kan? Check it out guys, tontonin terus channel gue guys, oke? Ini dia guys, salah satu kapal terbesarnya Celebrity. Di sini guys. Oke. Check it out.
This is a DJ Noise tape present. This is a DJ Noise mixtape presentation.
Let's go. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Ice chain, pure water. You got the cab, but can't afford it. You got the bad, but can't afford it. Give me the beat, I ride it like a jet ski. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They like because I rap and be with the athletes. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me. Hop in the coupe, then I slide like it's Vaseline. West Coast 6, poach on like a trampoline. Take a brick out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams. Dismantle up, I know how to handle up. Light the candle up, make you put a banner up. Toss a 50 up, make them tie the club up. Took your bitch out the game, I had to sub up. No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches and they after me.